Hey guys, it's Amanda, and today I'm going to show you how I'm sourcing from Amazon to Walmart using Keepa deals. I love this method because I'm buying directly from Amazon and I'm sending it to my prep center, or I'm sending it to my house and then sending it to Walmart. I love this strategy because I'm taking advantage of Amazon lowering their price for me to then flip for a profit on Walmart. I love looking at prices where it typically sells for, let's say, $30, but for some reason Amazon has drastically dropped their price to about maybe $10 or $9.99, to which then I buy what their stock is selling for at $9.99, and then I will then look at Walmart and hope that I can get about $35 to maybe $40. Yes, I typically sell my Walmart products for more than what I'm selling them on Amazon or how much Amazon is selling them for. I love this strategy because then it shows that this product is worth $35, even $40, and I'm getting it at a lower discounted rate, which this is amazing because I love taking advantage of that gap. All right, so let's dive into Keepa deals and see what we can find, and let's just see any good deals. All right, so I go ahead and go to Keepa.com and I just log in, and I will go up here to Keepa deals. And then over here on the left-hand side are the types of deals you can choose. So I always select Amazon. I personally want to buy directly from Amazon, and so that's just what I have decided in my business. You can definitely choose new, which will be a third party, and that's just up to you, but I personally just stick with Amazon. And then I do change this limit interval to just whatever. Sometimes I'll do a month, sometimes I'll do 3 months. It really just depends, but for today, I'll keep it at the 3 months. And then this select ranges, it really depends. I typically just keep it right here. I do put in 100,000 max. I do want a fast selling product. I don't want products that sit forever on Amazon. I go by if the item sells fast on Amazon, then it'll sell fast on Walmart. So if I choose an item that sells really slow on Amazon, chances are it'll sell really slow on Walmart as well, and I just don't want to take that risk. And then I choose lowest ever and lowest new offer. And so then I also sort by newest. So this is health and beauty. There are a lot of categories here that you can choose from. There's a lot of arts and crafts sewing here, audiobooks, which I don't go into. I do a lot of baby products. You can do CDs and vinyls, and keep in mind these are all new products. So let's just go to toys and games because it's Q4 and these will be really good items to sell during this Q4. Alrighty, so when I first take a look, I like looking at the Keepa chart, and I like seeing this big dive right here. It's perfect. It means it's kind of at a low price. Same with this one. This one is also even better, where it's just steady at one price, and for some reason it just drops completely. So let's just take a look at this first board game, or Spin Masters game. And I like looking at Keepa to see, how many sales it has a month, which is 74. Perfect. It sells very quickly. Even throughout the whole year, it's roughly around 19,000 rank, which is perfect. And it looks like it's been selling, at about $12.99 at one point. And right now it is currently at $4.13, which is pretty awesome. So let's take a look at the year. So it's usually around $19.99. So that's how much it sold during last Christmas. So that would be a good thing to buy. So what I then do is I then copy this. It depends on how much. Sometimes I'll do the whole thing. Sometimes I'll just do a little bit. I do a copy, and then I go over to Walmart.com, and I simply just paste it in there. I might have pasted too much of the title, but let's just go ahead and see. Perfect. And it is the spin or tag someone who, and that is what it looks like. And let's see, it looks like, let's just kind of go like this. and it looks like I don't see it. So this could be a good opportunity to buy the product and to see if it will sell well. You would have to then create a listing and everything like that. So that could be a good option. But for today, right now, we will go ahead and move on. And this Squishmallow, this is a Margie Pumpkin in Pink. Let's take a look at all, which is only 106 days. This is a fairly new Squishmallow. On Walmart, it is a gated category, so you can apply to get ungated. It does have 31,000 rank, but it's only been available for about 6 months, or not even. It's only 101 days, 106 days. But it's typically selling for $12.99. We can get it for $7.49. So I will go ahead and kind of copy this and then go over here. Perfect. All right. There's so many different types of Squishmallows. But this one looks like a really incomplete listing. As you can see, there's no price, there's no reviews, it doesn't have a lot of this information. But let's just go ahead and click on it and see what we can find. And I do love Martyr over here. This is something that I love using. It is $24 a month, and it gives me all the information that I need to. And this is a great item. It is a Halloween item, so kind of take that with a little bit of grain of salt. Would it be good after Halloween? I don't really know. And so let's see how much it was for. It was for $4.79, or I'm sorry, $7.49. And everyone is listing theirs around 22, 23. Perfect. And if we were going to send this into WFS, it would be $3.45 for the cost of the fee to using the warehouse. So that would give us a $7.76 profit plus a 103% ROI. Awesome. This is something I would definitely purchase. I wish I would have saw this like maybe a couple months ago. It's now October 16th. For me personally, I wouldn't take a gamble on this just because it's more Halloween and it may not do so well after Halloween. But this would be a great, great flip. If you wanted to purchase it and then hold on to it until next year, that is also a great opportunity. But let's keep going and see what else we can find. I'm going to skip these costumes. This one doesn't look like too much of a drastic for me. This one looks encouraging, but it's $2.99. Let's see, but it typically sells for $6. That's pretty low. I like sending things in that I could sell above $12. But let's just go ahead and just check it out on Walmart. If you do have Martyr, you can also just highlight it, do right click and search in Martyr. And then it pulls it up here on the right hand side where it will give you all the information. So it looks like this one would be it. So we can go to link to Walmart. And let's see here. It looks like it's for $6.99. I don't think we can get more than $6.99. So if we purchased it for $2.99, that's not enough room for us. So we'll go ahead and move on. And let's see here. Ooh, this one looks promising. These are Happy Nappers Pillow. They are selling very consistently. Well, I guess since October 1st, it looks like it just got into stock. It's been in stock for quite a while. Maybe, I don't know. This looks like it's an unranked item because this middle box looks like it sells pretty consistently. Let's see here. It says it drops 83 times a month, but it's just not ranking over here. But let's just take a look at it and see what we find. We'll just kind of just do that much, copy it, and paste it right into Walmart. And what little guy is this one? It's a cute little tiger. Is it this tiger one? Looked like it was. This cute little tiger for $69.99. And it looks like Walmart's not on the listing, so that is good. And wow, they have a lot in stock, but a Walmart is on the listing. This is something you can definitely test. This is something that I would test because let's say we get this item for $29.99. And let's say we would want to undercut Walmart maybe by like 5%. So let's do like 65. I know that's a little bit more than the 5%, but still, if we did $65.99, we still get a great profit. And this is 4 pounds. So let's just go ahead and do the math on how much it'd be for 4 pounds. Okay, so I went to marketplace.walmart/pricing, and this is where I can calculate the fees for that 4 pound heavy item. So we'll estimate the cost. So it would be 4.8. And let's see if that'll just calculate without that. Nope. So we do need the dimensions. So it's 37 by 66, which that seems kind of maybe it's just this whole item. So what we could do is go back to Keepa, go to data, and then with the product details, we'll then go ahead and scroll down to package dimensions, which is 15.13.3. So 15.13.3, and it's not 4.8 pounds per Keepa, or according to Keepa, it is 2.3 pounds, the whole package weight. So I will tend to side with Keepa on this one. So let's go ahead and calculate that. So that is a $6.15 fee. So we'll go ahead and go back into Martyr. $6.15. Which it still gives us an amazing $19 profit with a 66% ROI and less competition on this one. So this would be a great item to test and to see if you can flip that. Also, what is so wonderful about this is now you've opened up a whole different opportunities. Maybe you want to check out this other one. I don't know what it is. This lion. Let's just kind of open it up, and maybe we can find this also on Amazon at a discounted price. So let's take a look here. Again, it's the same seller and same with Walmart. So then I will just I'll just do this, and I will go into Amazon. And just kind of go through here. Sometimes I like to sort by price, but like this one is $29.99, perfect deal. And then maybe you can find this one right here. But, you know, there's so many opportunities when it comes to Walmart. Let me sort by price, low to high. Perfect. There's this one. There's this little bunny one. I know I saw that. Or is it a unicorn? But there's so many opportunities that you can really use for Walmart. Because, you know, we just started with Keepa deals, and now we've gone on this rabbit trail, this rabbit hole or whatever, and really kind of dove into other categories, other items. And for this one, it looks like it was normally selling for $14.98. And then now it's for $20. And then let's go to Walmart. This is a unicorn. Perfect. Right here, it's only for $32.88. It does have 1-star review. There's only one review. It says only 4 left. I think that just, you know, encourages people to buy more because there are actually only 4. So if you were to buy this for $20, and then the WFS cost would, I'm just going to go with the $6.15. I bet it's similar to the other one. Well, maybe we should do it because if we can get more profit into it. So we'll go to Keepa, product details. It is £3, so it is that $6.15. Okay. This isn't a huge profit. Maybe you could get it for the $49.99 and kind of get a little bit more for it because all the other characters are at that price point. Well, these are at $32.88. But I would test it and see how it goes. But let's just keep moving with Keepa deals because I think we're doing really well. And let's kind of go back. Let's take a look at these. I don't think we could send these in because they're not deflated. I'm going to skip on Halloween costumes. And I'm just going to look for drastic. There we go. This is the good one where it's selling for $14.44, but it's selling consistently for $29.99. It sells about once a day, which is pretty cool. So then we'll go ahead and put it over here. It's this ice cream truck with lights and sounds. Let's see here. I'm going to just also add this to the title. Perfect. And it is going for $34.99. Awesome. And it looks like Walmart is not on the listing, which is great. I got to bring up Walmart, and there's only one person on this listing, which is awesome. And so let's say we buy this for $14.44. And let's take a look at the specifications and see how much this weighs. This looks like it could be maybe pretty heavy. And it's 2 pounds, so that is $4.95 for the WFS cost. Sorry, $4.45, not $4.95, $4.45. That still gives us a $10 profit. So this is why I absolutely love Keepa, because I now can take this item and flip it, send this to my warehouse, or send this to my house and then send it right into WFS for Q4. All right, well, that's all the sourcing I have today. So thank you so much for joining, and I love doing this type of sourcing. I always find really good deals, and I hope this was helpful. And what else do you want to see? What kind of sourcing do you want to see? I am going to start diving more into traditional online arbitrage and give that a try because I think there's just so much opportunity when it comes to Walmart. But like, subscribe, and let's connect.